break, warmer weather, then of course, swimsuit season. We want to look our best, absolutely. So Dr. Bill Johnson of Innovations Medical can help your tummy during these summer months. Hi, Bill. How are you?
Good morning.
I was sharing with you, I need to be in a bathing suit like this weekend. What can we do immediately? But you bring good news. You can get people ready pretty quick.
Pretty quick, that's right. I think one of the first places to start is kind of understanding what problem you have, because that determines what we can do or what we need to do. Some women just have some loose skin.
Right.
And just not as tight and as firm looking as they like. Some women have some fat that they can't get rid of no matter how many crunches and abdominal workouts they do. And then there are some women that have excess skin and tissue that needs to really be addressed in a more aggressive way. And so each one we treat in a little bit different manner.
Okay, so it just depends on what their needs are, and that's the consultation process to see exactly what's going on there and what do we need to do. Let's talk about Thermage first.
Okay, the ones that have just some loose skin, Thermage is really a great answer for them. And it really does a great job of tightening up that loose skin. And of all the places we use Thermage, I personally think we get the most impressive results on the tummy.
Yeah.
Recent survey of 5,700, a big group of Thermage patients, 87% of them has some immediate response. 94% patient satisfaction overall. So it really is an effective treatment for skin tightening.
High five, because I'm one of those patients that are very happy with Thermage. Okay, so that's great for skin tightening. Those pictures are impressive, but sometimes we need a step further. We've got some excess fat we just can't get rid of.
Yeah, and in those folks, we want to do some liposuction, and in particular, I like Smart Lipo, because not only do we get rid of the fat, then we turn around and tighten the skin, like with the Thermage. So we get a much nicer end result.
Yeah.
The other thing I like with the Smart Lipo and liposuction is we can do some sculpting. So we can make a very fit, trim looking. That's a man that's had some sculpting, and you can see ended up with a six-pack at the end.
Oh my gosh, wow. So this is a really advanced technology, Smart
Really
Lipo.
nice.
We've mentioned it time and time again, but it really is a good, safe alternative.
And now's the time for summer, because you can really start having some nice results by summertime with it.
Right, and the skin tightening with it kind of tightens up what you've just taken out, which is really good. Okay, so many people have a little bit more tissue, we'll say, in their abdomen. Maybe they need something a little more aggressive.
Yes, some women after pregnancy, or a lot of folks after weight loss, they get a roll of skin down below. And those folks, really, a tummy tuck, or the formal name is abdominoplasty, is the right answer. The kind we do is done in the office. We do it under local anesthesia. You're awake but kind of drowsy throughout the procedure. We combine it with liposuction, so it really allows us to trim and shape the entire abdomen, not just that lower part. We also flatten out the upper part as well.
Okay, that's a very impressive option for so many people, because you are awake. You're not completely knocked out.
You're not completely knocked out, and we can take care of a large amount of problems. You can really change a person's whole body look.
And another question you get a lot. So many people want the mommy makeover after they have a baby, and they want to know, how long after pregnancy should I be waiting if I want to do these procedures?
Amy, that's a great question. We really do get a lot. With Thermage, we want to wait at least 3 months, because a lot of the changes and a lot of things, people are thinking, oh my gosh, this isn't going to wait. They're still going to go away. So give it a little time. We want at least 3 months after Thermage. After liposuction, for liposuction, we want to wait at least 6 months after pregnancy before you consider it. And before you start thinking about a tummy tuck, you should wait at least a year, because a lot of things you're going to see improve and tighten up on their own. You don't necessarily need my help in that time frame.
Okay, that's responsible. I like that time frame. How about if you want to come in this week because you're going away and you need to look good in a bathing suit? Do you have any GMT specials?
We do. For the month of March, we're going to take $500 off any of the abdominal procedures that GMT viewers want to take care of.
Nice, very nice. Then we can spend that on maybe some new swimsuits and new clothes for our vacation.
There you
Bill,
go.
Always good to see you. Thanks for the information. And if you want more information, log on to that website. It's innovationsmedical.com, or give Bill a call. It's 972-331-8844, and you can have a consultation. And for any questions, just drop them an email at questions@innovationsmedical.com. Rob?